Nana is getting some aratilis. Ay, lalagyan siya. Nagtitik siya ng aratilis. What else? Okay, okay. Wait. I'll help you. Go. You hold the branch. You hold the branch muna. Yung lalagyan. Lagyan mo dito yung lalagyan. Wait. Oh, yan. Already. Pala na. Yan. I hold. Yan. Yun. Ayun pa. Where mo? Ang dami. Huh? To reach? Reach ka. Ayun. Wait lang. Ana, wait lang. Oh, you got this. May she harvest. Wow! Go. Go, ayun o. Ito.
I get it.
Ah, okay. Wait. Yung kabila. Kabila. Ito. Oh, can you get it? Can you get? Ayun, ang dami. Ayun. Ayun, oh. Ayun pa, oh. Ayun, oh. Meron pa, oh. Yung mga red. Kasi maliit. Oh, go. Wag na. Wag na. Is she harvest?
Sarap.
Oh, do you call that?
Ko to. Alatar. Hindi pa inog.
Oh, let's go home. Wash first. Before eating. Wash first. We're going home. We have a harvest now. Careful. No, it's not yet hinog. That is maasim. Be careful, mahulog mo yan. Sa harvest mo. How to wash it na? Now that you washed the aratilis, now teach us how to eat it. You teach us.
Hinagusan ko na yung mga alataris. I will teach you to eat it. Ito yung niya, wet niya, tapos kakain. Sarap! You may try it.
Sige na. Sige. We can see the puwet.
I know. Squeeze mo lang.
Show us the puwet, Messi. No, you get the ano.
Here.
That's the puwet. And then?
And you just
slowly.
And you just squeeze it though.
Messi. Ooh, and then? Ganun pala yun. Thank you. Is it masarap?
One. Lang.
Bakit?